Hi guys, welcome to Mick Mack Kitchen again with me, Christina Hann, and today we are going to make Caprese salad. What you need is tomatoes, buffalo mozzarella, basil, well, it looks like Italian flag, pepper and salt, olive oil, and have a secret recipe. I have this pine nuts and crema aceto balsamico. Well, let's start by cutting the tomatoes. Tomatoes. Well, I don't use this part, but I will not throw it away. What I'm going to use is this here. Not too thick, also not too thin. So you see what I'm gonna do with this. So I can put it. Six. So it's gonna be here. This is buffalo mozzarella. Yeah. I think it tastes better than. I think it tastes better than regular mozzarella. It has this flavor that regular mozzarella doesn't have that. But if you don't have that, but you can use regular mozzarella. It's okay. Well, this year I'm gonna just cut it and eat it later.
And eat this later?
Yes.
So yummy.
So yummy! Well, I know a lot of people like to serve the basil, like the whole chunk, but I like it to cut small pieces because it has this intense flavor. And when you bite it, it combines so nicely with the mozzarella and with the tomatoes. So I'm put it inside.
Put it inside?
Yes.
Why?
I'm gonna put olive oil here, generously. Let's say 2 tablespoons. Salt. And pepper. Mix it all together, well incorporated. Put on top of the mozzarella. That looks so nice.
Why then? Why is it so nice?
Because it is. It is so nice.
So nice?
And you will love it, honey. Well, the rest, don't throw it away. We're gonna put it here. So. That's the secret here. Look, I'm gonna try it a little bit. Oh, it's so good. Got drizzle a little bit on top of each. Papala. Yes. You want to do that? Okay. Oh, thank you, honey. Okay, one more. One more pen. Yeah, there you go. Thank you. Okay, done. You can have this. Well, this is my Caprese salad. It tastes so good. And I hope you enjoyed our videos. And we'll see you in the next episode. You want to say bye-bye?
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.